Good day, engineers. So today we are going to discuss chapter 10, logarithmic and exponential functions. But in this video, we will be focusing on the logarithmic functions or the derivative of logarithmic functions. So ibig sabihin, mahahati sa dalawang lecture video itong chapter na to. So let's start. So ito yung mga formulas ng derivative of logarithmic functions. So the first formula is the logarithm of x to the base a. So, ito. So, kapag nakita nyo itong logarithm of x to the base a, ang derivative nan is 1 over x, then logarithm of e to the base a. Next, logarithm u to the base a. Ang derivative niya is du over dx all over u, logarithm of e to the base a. So, next is the derivative of ln u. So, ito, pinakagamit na gamit to, I think, sa integral and then sa differential equations. So, pakitandaan na ang derivative ng ln u is du over dx all over u. So, next is the derivative of logarithm of u to the base 10 is equals to m du over dx all over u, where m is logarithm of e to the base 10. Okay, let's start sa ating exercises. So, number 1 is ln a squared minus x squared raised to 3/2. So, ngayon, ang magagamit natin is yung derivative ng ln u, which is the du over dx all over u. So, dito sa ating equation, ang u natin dito is the a squared minus x squared raised to 3/2. So, kunin natin, u natin yan, a squared minus x squared raised to 3/2. So, ang du natin is 3 over 2 a squared minus x squared. Then, 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2. Since chain rule yan, derive natin yung loob, which is negative 2x. Then, pwede nating i-cancel itong si 2. So, ang matitira na lang is negative 3x a squared minus x squared raised to 1/2. So, ito yung ating du. Ngayon, isalpak na natin sa formula. So, y prime is equals to, diba sabi, du over dx all over u. So, negative 3x a squared minus x squared raised to 1/2 all over, ang u natin is a squared minus x squared raised to 3/2. Then, pwede natin i-cancel ito. So, itong part na to, pwede nating i-cancel. Kasi may 1/2 sa taas, then may 3/2 sa baba. So, magiging y prime is equals to negative 3x all over a squared minus x squared. So, 1/2, 1/2, tama. So, may matitira lang 1. So, di na natin ilalagay. So, ito na yung ating answer sa number 1. So, next, number 2. Logarithm of x squared to the base a. So, kapag ganyan, ano na yung formula natin? Mm, du over dx all over u log ae. So, ito pala guys, wait lang. Balik tayo sa ating formula. Nakalimutan ko sabihin. So, ito, same lang to Halos same lang. So, kahit ang i-memorize nyo na is itong pangalawa. Bakit? Kasi ang u dito is, for example, dito na lang sa number 1, x, diba? Ang du over dx na, kung ang u natin ito, u is x, ang du natin is 1. Kaya 1 ito. Nakuha? Tapos, di ba sabi niya dito, di ba du over dx over u. So, ito, 1 over x. So, same lang yan. Kaya kahit ang i-memorize nyo na lang is ito. 1, 2, then 3. So, next is number 2 na tayo, di ba? So, ang u natin dito is x squared. Ang du natin is 2x. Pwede na natin isulat. Y prime is equals to 2x all over x squared log a e. And pwede natin i-cancel si x. So, magiging 2 over x log a e. So, ito na yung ating answer sa number 2. Okay, let's proceed sa number 3. So, kung nabibilisan kayo, i-post nyo na lang kasi binibilisan ko para maikli lang tong lecture video natin. So, next. So, ang base natin is 10. So, ang gagamitin natin is yung m du over dx all over u. So, ang u natin dito is x minus 2 raised to 2. Then, ang du natin is 2 times x minus 2 times 1 or 2 x minus 2. Then, sulat na natin siya sa ating formula na y prime is equals to m. Then, ang du over ang du natin is 2x minus 2. Ang u naman natin is x minus 2 raised to. Then, pwede natin i-cancel itong isa. Kaya magiging y prime is equals to m 2. Natira si 2. So, 2m na lang, then x minus 2. So, ito yung ating answer. So, syempre, di ba ang m kanina, sabi natin kanina, ang m is, ano na yung m natin? Log 10 a e. Log 10. AE ba? Wait lang. Bilis ko naman makalimot. E. So, E. So, pwedeng ito na lang isulat nyo, yung may M, or kung gusto nyo, maging extra. So, 2 log 10E all over x minus 2. So, same lang yan. So, next number 4, ln sin 4x. So, ito, sinamahan na tayo ng trigonometric functions. So, alam natin na ang ln is du. So, du over dx yan over u. So, ang u natin dito is the sin x, sin 4x. So, u is sin 4x. And ang du natin is 4 cosine 4x. Tama? So, review nyo ulit yung ating trigonometric functions. So, sulat na natin, y prime is equals to, ang du natin is 4 cosine 4x all over sine 4x. Alam natin na ang cosine, ito. So, alam natin na ang cosine over sine is cotangent. Pwede natin siyang i-write as y prime is equals to 4 cotangent 4x. So, ito yung ating answer for number 4. Okay, next number is ito. So, ln ulit siya. So, ln u is du over dx all over u. So, kunin muna natin si u natin. Ang u natin is 1 plus x squared over 1 minus x squared. So, kapag du natin yan, dinerivative natin yan, anong rule yung magagamit natin? Quotient rule. So, ano na ulit yung quotient rule natin? Ang quotient rule natin is v du minus u dv all over v squared. So, kunin natin. Ang v natin dito is, so, ito ang u, ito ang v. So, magiging 1 minus x squared times 2x minus 1 plus x squared. dv natin is negative 2x. All over 1 minus x squared raised to 2. So, gawin na natin dito, y prime is equals to 1 minus x squared 2x minus 1 plus x squared minus 2x all over 1 minus x squared raised to 2. Then, etong u, diba u? So, u natin is 1 plus x squared over 1 minus x squared. So, next, simplify natin. Magiging y prime 1 minus x squared 2x. Or i-distribute ko na agad para mabilis. So, distribute natin. Ito distribute natin. So, magiging y prime is equals to 2x minus 2x cubed plus 2x plus 2x cubed all over 1 minus x squared raised to 2. Then, kapag nagde-divide tayo ng division, tapos gusto nating i-times is reciprocal lang, di ba? So, magiging 1 minus x squared all over 1 plus x squared. I mean, kapag magde-divide tayo ng fractions, so, ire-reciprocal lang natin yung denominator, then ipag-multiply natin. So, sa MMW yun na topic sa algebra. So, y prime is equals to, pansinin nyo to, makakancel pala si 2x. Ay, hindi pala ito. 2x cubed. 2x cubed, then 2. 2x cubed. Then, ito, isa. Tama. So, may matitirang isa pa dito. So, magiging answer natin dito is 2x plus 2x or 4x na lang natin. 4x, then may natirang isa, di ba? 1 minus x, then 1 plus x squared. Then, distribute natin. Expand lang natin yung baba using FOIL method. So, magiging 1 plus x squared. Minus x squared minus x raised to 4. So, cancel itong dalawa. Kaya magiging y prime is equals to 4 over 1 minus x raised to 4. So, ito yung ating answer for number 5. So, next is number 6. So, meron tayo ditong y is equals to ln x cube. So, parang ganito lang kasi yan eh. Ln x cube. So, derive natin, magiging 3 ln x squared. Then, ang derivative ng loob is 1 over x. Then, gawin natin y prime is equals to 3 ln squared x. Then, 1 over x. Magiging y prime is equals to 3 over x ln squared x. Answer for number 6. Next, number 7 na tayo. So, ln x. So, ano yung u natin dito? So, ang u natin dito is the ln x. Tama. So, ln x. Then, du is equals to 1 over x. So, ngayon, y prime magiging 1 over x all over ln x. Kasi ito yung ating du, then u. Tama. So, magiging y prime is equals to 1. Ibababa natin yung x na to. So, magiging x ln x. So, answer. Next, number 8. So, sa number 8 natin, y is equals to sine ln x. So, paano natin to isosolve? Ang u natin dito is the ln x. So, parang trigonometric function siya. Parang sine u. Ito yung u natin. Parang sine u. So, ngayon, ang u natin is ln x. Ang du natin is 1 over x. So, derive natin. Ang derivative ng sine is cosine ln x. Then, the derivative ng ln x is 1 over x. So, answer is 1 over x cosine ln x. So, yan ang sagot. So, yun lang yung ating derivative of logarithm or logarithmic functions. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment on watching your name and your section. So, please mag-comment kayo for your attendance.